Yes, hi guys, thank you so much for coming back. Remember, it's always I am Max in Qatar, Doha, trying to explore some of the very beautiful places that definitely should understand, and definitely most of those places that you can see that are quite very amazing. Today's a Friday. It starts of the weekend here in Doha, Qatar. Remember, most of the organizations, most of the companies on Friday, they normally have to give out people they are off, so that you can try to enjoy over the weekend. So I'm in Colnish right now in the Mia Park. I'll be moving to the Mina Park because remember, when it comes to a Friday, normally there's a lot of things that you can definitely do in Doha, from entertainment, moving, other activities that definitely you can enjoy. I'll be moving to Mina Park today, and in Mina Park there's what we call a fishing exhibition that starts today 11th and it will move on until 12th. It's quite very amazing on how definitely these places are, and we want to go and try to check out some of the new beautiful things that definitely you can see as a person. Remember, when it talks about a weekend, Doha is quite very amazing. There are a lot of places that definitely you can visit that are just free of charge. At the back of me, that's a giant screen that was here before in the Mia Park when it was during the FIFA World Cup Qatar 2022, which was very quite amazing. This place is quite very amazing when you see the view itself, and from the other side, it's definitely, you'll see how definitely it will get on. So join me as we try to move around, and we are going to the Mina Park, that's the Old Doha. Definitely you're going to see a lot of things, definitely a lot of new developments, a lot of advanced technology regarding to what we call fishing, and definitely as a person that you can definitely be able to enjoy. I'm in the Colnish and the Mia Park, and this is how definitely the whole place looks like. So join me as we try to move around and try to see how definitely the place looks like and what is taking place and what is very good. By the way, if your first time, don't hesitate to subscribe, and don't hesitate to give him a subscribe button, and then follow me on my TikTok account, follow me on my Twitter, follow me on my LinkedIn account, and also follow me on what we call my YouTube accounts. That is at Max Creation TV, and also at I Am Max, where I talk about travel, beautiful places that definitely you can visit in Qatar, which are quite very important, very beautiful, free of charge at no cost. So we are going to move to this Mina Park, and definitely I'm going to show you what is taking place, what definitely you can see, and definitely what you expect, and what are so those very good things that definitely you can have as an in video, which are quite very amazing. So join me, let's try to move to the Mina Park, then we try to see how definitely the whole place looks like, and what is very amazing that we can be able to see and see. This is quite how beautiful it is, and this is Doha, it's Qatar. It's quite a very beautiful country, and definitely remember it's now summer period. It's a crucial, very wonderful when it comes to the evening, and a lot of things that you definitely can do, and which definitely you can enjoy in one way or the other. So let's move on, and definitely you'll see how definitely the whole place gets to look around, and this is quite very how amazing it looks. Doha is very beautiful when you look at most of the buildings and the skyscrapers on the other side, the nature of the roads, and definitely how the whole setting of these countries definitely say. When you look at the transportation, is from sustainability to all what you need, from the electric scooter, rechargeable, and the rest of things that definitely you see, which are no charge. Remember the goal, the sustainable goal that is with Qatar of 2030, which involves sustainability of it all. So we try to move around, and we try to see most of these beautiful places, and definitely what you expect and what you have, which is quite very important. Yes, most of these places are very beautiful. Really, you can enjoy at just a free cost without even having to pay off. Remember, yes, when you come to here in Qatar, yes, definitely as a resident, you have a lot of things that you can do, from entertainment to keep you off, or to make you live in art to call your happiness. This is how definitely they do the settings, which is quite very amazing. the parks are designed in such a way that is very easy to enjoyable for everyone can do, enjoy, and have the facilities that are being done or available in one or the other. So this is the flag plaza. Yes, most of the country representatives are just here. For those that know the country's flags, yes, it was a very popular destination for all the tourists when it came to what we call the FIFA World Cup, which was quite very important and very wonderful for this foreigner. It's the way it just represents itself, and it gives you all the country's flags in one or the other, and which is quite very amazing and definitely very beautiful to see from the other side. So we are moving to the Old Port, Old Doha Port, and definitely as a person we're going to see a lot of things here. Now what is quite very amazing is how the parks are being set to give a whole round entertainment, or to give a whole facilities for everyone in this park to enjoy without even a station for anyone to live here, which is quite very amazing, and definitely as a person you can try to enjoy and see from the other side. So all these are representative flags for different countries that were raised up after during the FIFA World Cup. So let's try to move on. We move on. We'll go to the other areas, and definitely we're going to see what it has to offer when we talk about the Mina Park, and what is the exhibition all about, what's so interesting and what's very good that definitely as a person you can enjoy. First of all, look at the freshness of the park, which is quite very amazing and very good, fresh in one way or the other. So we'll move on. We are moving to the Mina Park, and definitely you're going to see a lot of things here, definitely, which is quite very amazing, and how definitely you can enjoy the whole vessel of the place without even having to pay a single penny of your pocket, which is quite very amazing in one way or the other. So this is how very amazing the place looks like. The green itself is quite very amazing, that it gives you the breath of it all and the time for you to enjoy the area in one or the other, in other area, which is quite very amazing. This is how the whole place looks like, green all over, and in other I think is quite very amazing. What I'm saying, you know, it's another exhibition that definitely we have to say, and we have to look at how definitely it's very amazing, and how we say how it is really designed in such a way that it creates versatility for the pedestrian, it creates for the cars, and for everything that definitely you need to usher. What is acting, what's very important, and what was very amazing in this country is they look at the sustainability goals of reducing what we call energy and consumptions in one way. The solar panels everywhere, light up with the panels, and everything green in one or the other to kind of push off the hair, which is quite very amazing in one or the other. So it's quite very beautiful. If you can definitely look at this whole area, which is really a view of what is amazing, and the kids can have this play. The playground is quite very good in one or the other, and in other areas from the other view you can see the skylines of what we call Doha, the skyscrapers getting over over in mountains, and it's good. Most of these parks and these places are very good for a family, for those with families. It's quite very amazing. From the other views, you can see the skyscrapers from the other side. You can see the Museum of Islamic Art from the other side, and this gives you the sway of the view that definitely you can enjoy as a person. You see, when it comes with a family, it's quite very important on this kind of day that definitely can dress up with the family and enjoy it off. And this is what I have to let you know. So let's try to move around the park, and let's try to move around the whole area. We see where it's all about, yes, and see what we definitely can see and you can enjoy in these small Gulf countries. Yes, from the other extreme end, for those people that definitely would take a look and would take to remember what you call the Stadium 1974 Rasabab Stadium, which was a very good point zone for the FIFA World Cup tournaments matches that we are playing in this area. So we are in the park. It's a family park, and there's a lot of things that are definitely here which are questionable, that are being tossed up in one or the other, which is so this is how the park looks like, and Remember, it's going to be hosting what you call the FIFA, what you call the fishing exhibition that definitely we definitely see. So I just wanted to show you how the Mina Park, how what you call the Old Doha Park looks like, and if we can see most of those places, we'll move around and try to see what we can do for that matter in the skates and all. So we are in what we call the Old Doha Park, which is called the Mina Park, and it's quite very amazing. Sometimes most of the people call it the box park. It's quite very amazing area to visit, family friendly, individual friendly, with all the facilities all here. This is the Old Doha, and this is exactly where you have to find. Look at what's quite very amazing, especially when it comes to the street of it all. And definitely you see most of these beautiful places are very free of charge. You cannot have a pay for it to have in kind of normal, and this is what are quite very amazing. So we try to move out to this place, and we're definitely going to see a lot of things that definitely you can see, and how the park looks like. The green, the freshness of it all is what really entices you to come to this place several times, and it's quite very amazing. I still have to say it, definitely how these small countries want to take on, arrange the vicinity of their countries, and how definitely they get to arrange them in one or the other, and which is definitely something that definitely, and say this is the dock of the ship. They're very amazing. You can rent them out in our own places, and the old park we can see from the other side, and this is how definitely we can see which is moved. So we try to move around, try to move to most of these beautiful places. We try to see how definitely I need to enjoy, and how definitely this area looks like, and see what we can definitely do, what's very very amazing. It's probably something that definitely you can come and do here. It's something that definitely I'll advise for people who are here in Doha for your free time. You can visit most of the places. We'll try to see how the place looks like and what you expect in one of it. So join me as we try to move around the whole place. You see the skylines from the other side, which is extremely very very important, very amazing. How people get to enjoy, it's what quite very important. You know, the skies, the skies from the other side, the sunset, which gives us something that's definitely is a little bit beautiful for it to have in one other side, in one or another. That is quite very very interesting and very good in one or the other, which is good, and definitely that you can enjoy in this place. So this is why how quite amazing this place looks like. Most of you, some of them, some other people call it what you call the box park. And it's quite very amazing. The design the way everything is settled is just in such kind of way that it's really very incredible. It's a very good place for you to relax off, to be off yourself from the other side of it, or pop up, try to shop something for you. For those people that are in Qatar, it's also one destination place that definitely you can come to. You can enjoy, have a relaxing moment for you to enjoy. Remember, it's what you call the Mina Park, and which is going to host what you call the exhibition that is quite very amazing. There's a lot of activities that can be done, especially now it's summer period, and definitely you can see what is really taking place. It's quite very amazing. It's quite very good and very relaxing moments for people to have. Hope after I share something, join me in yet another video as I'm trying to explore other beautiful places that definitely you can visit free of charge, even at no cost in one way or the other, that definitely you can enjoy for during your summer period and your stay in Qatar for the period that you're going to be here. Hope I share something. By the way, don't forget to share, don't forget to comment and tell me which other places that definitely you want me to share and which you want me for you to visit in any way or the other, that definitely will be a very good place for you to visit in Qatar and which you could enjoy, especially when it comes to what you call the summer period, which is quite very amazing and very beautiful. See you as we try to see and join me in yet another video when we try to discover most of these beautiful places. Bye for now. See you again in another video.